presenting a professional, heavy-duty reinforced table designed for assembling large control and electrical cabinets. This solution has been engineered with ergonomics and productivity in mind, making it ideal for the prefabrication of cabinets, even those of the largest sizes. The table features height adjustment as well as a tilt function of up to 69 degrees. This allows for comfortable work in both horizontal and vertical positions, while also improving access to installed components. The structure is made of thick steel profiles and remains fully mobile, equipped with 4 swivel casters with brakes to ensure both stability and easy movement. The working surface, measuring 2.5 by 1.5 meters, can be extended thanks to pull-out supports. Mounting brackets provide secure fixation of components, and the robust construction safely supports loads of up to 500 kilograms. The height adjustment system is based on electric lifting columns, while the tilt is controlled by electric actuators. The table requires a 230-volt power supply and includes its own electrical system with 6 power outlets. The presented model was custom-built to meet specific customer requirements in terms of dimensions and heavy load capacity. However, other versions are also available within our product range. We invite you to visit our store, where you will find more information